Hey guys, how you doing today? It's Steve on the Brew. This is one of those portable electric heaters. You know, they're great for heating up a small bathroom or entryway, and you can also put them down by your feet under a desk, you know, on a cold day. Anyway, these things, I've had them in the past, and they blow fuses, and there's nowhere that you can really service it. You have to take it apart. A sure sign that you've blown a fuse is there's no activity, there's no lights, no fan, no nothing. It's just dead. So we're going to take apart this, locate the fuse, and try to replace it. I've had other ones of these that I've changed out. It seems like they're real susceptible to power surges. I think that the fuse in the circuit is so closely matched that it doesn't allow for much of a surge, and it pops that fuse. So let's go ahead and get opening this and see if we can't fix it up. This is a Sears Kenmore for reference. Okay, let's get started. This power switch is burnt. I can clearly see it's burnt right off there. It's this right here. So that switch just blew. It's black. Okay, so hopefully you can see this a little better here. This switch right here, there's a rocker switch on the outside, and I looked it up in the book, and that is for the power on. And my wife said that this switch never worked, and I believe it because it failed miserably. This switch actually blew itself, and I'm looking around for any other signs, you know, that something got hit, and nothing else can be seen. So there was a defective switch, and you know, really this should have been taken back to the store. This is only 6 weeks old. But anyway, let's go ahead and fix it up. I'm just going to cut the ends off of these wires that went onto the switch, and I'm going to go ahead and just bare them and splice them together. This is not a fuse switch or anything like that, so there's nothing to worry about by bypassing the switch. I'm going to go ahead and just leave the switch in place so it covers that hole up. But I'm going to go ahead and strip these and put a wire nut on them, and that's going to be the fix for this. Let me find a wire nut, I'll be back. So to strip the wires, I'm just going to pull it out here. And boy, that was hard. That must have really been involved in a pretty good sized flash. It actually melted the insulation to the point where it's brittle. Scary. Here's my fancy strippers here. That sometimes work. There we go. I'm just going to use one of these wire nuts to secure this. I'm just going to put a little bit of black tape on it too, around the bottom here. Well, that's what happens with cheaply made parts. You know, that could have been a very scary situation. I mean, this is a plate right down by the floor, and you know, the fuse at the top probably would have protected it from going any further if it did try to catch on fire or something like that. But still, not a good situation. Loves the scratches, don't you? Okay, well, I've got the heater fixed now. You can see it's working really good. That could have been a real fire hazard, having that switch defective on there. If anybody else has one of these and they have a bad switch on the bottom, let me know. Things to also look out for is if you take this back off and find the fuse panel at the very top. They usually contain a metal and glass fuse like this. And oftentimes you can just pop them out and read the value on the side and go buy another one. And you can test to make sure that this is good by using an ohms meter. If you want to know how to check a fuse on an ohms meter, let me know. Maybe I'll do a quick video about that. But there you go. There's the electric fan working again. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye for now. Hey guys, this is Steve. Thanks for watching. Hey, don't forget to subscribe if you like this video, and be sure to rate and comment. See ya.